how many years, or if ever, do you think it will be able to buy a house in actual XRP or leverage a loan, a portion for one? So we actually are talking to a company right now that issues cross-collateralized loans for Bitcoin to be able to lend on a mortgage. And they have had a lot of interest for XRP. There are some people that are still in a position to be able to do that. The interest rate when it's cross-collateralized like that is much lower versus just borrowing against the asset itself. And they've had a lot of success with that product. I think they've done maybe $250 million in loans, and I think that they'll continue to do well. We would love to see that for XRP. I think you could probably see that here in 2026. If we see some significant price appreciation, products and solutions will come to market. People will build this stuff. They're going to move where the liquidity is. We are unique in that we see the value proposition for XRP and anticipate that move in liquidity. And we've, curated a lot of these solutions prior to that appreciation, where other people are going to wait. Institutions are going to wait, right? They're going to wait until Bitcoin had $1 trillion in market cap. There really wasn't a whole lot. We didn't see ETFs. We didn't see a lot of these solutions for lending against it as collateral. I mean, you could through smart contracts, but there wasn't, people with lending licenses or the licenses to be able to actually do that. You could just do it on chain in a smart contract, wrap it on Ethereum, and then go post it as collateral over there and get the cash out in a stable coin and then convert that to fiat to be able to do the house transfer or purchase. Yeah, I think you could likely see that here in 2026, which would be fantastic. And we are absolutely pushing forward on that solution.